Hello my friends, today I'm going to teach you one of the most powerful techniques in the world called Instinctive Half Spin. So, let's get started. So first of all, you need to know the proper grip. For the Instinctive Half Spin, it's absolutely same like you would hold the nose spin. So you just flip the knife and hold it like this. If your knife is not sharp, you're gonna hold it like this. If you have some sharp EDC, I will show you later in the video. But for this Stinger by the H-Jet, it's gonna be like this. There is little disadvantage compared to the nose spin, and that is it's very difficult to throw Instinctive Half Spin from very short distance. It can be done, but it's unnecessarily very dangerous. The knife can rebound really fast because this technique, like I said, it's super powerful. So for the nose spin, it's easy. You can throw it from very close, but the Instinctive Half Spin, you see, you kind of have to snap and move a little bit back. Here I was able to do it, but now we can talk about the proper distance for the Instinctive Half Spin. So that was about 2 or 3 meters, but for the sweet spot, you actually have to move way back. So about here. So once again, the grip like this. And if you are a total beginner, this could be a little disadvantage that you are so far from the target, because as a beginner you are not so accurate. But the advantage is if the knife will rebound, you have way more time to dodge the knife. All right? So after, you're gonna have the relaxed stand, and everything is very similar like for the nose spin. So you will aim on the target, pull your arm to the back, and with a movement forward, you will start to press with the index finger on the spine of the knife, and that will create half rotation into the target. Like I said, it's very easy, don't rush anywhere, and this technique, it's very powerful. So first, you don't have to put so much force from the beginning, all right? So let's do it. Distance 4 meters, aiming on the back, and let it slide. Very easy, and like I said, this is very consistent from the sweet spot. You can also twist your hips into the throw. The last throw was a little bit under-rotated. And about the common mistakes, we can talk right now. So first mistake that can happen with the Instinctive Half Spin is under-rotated knife. It looks like this. And this can happen that you are close to the target, too close, or you didn't put too much pressure on the index finger. It wasn't enough, you know, like this. So you can adjust your distance. This will definitely help to sticking the knife. Or like I said, apply more pressure or a little bit more force on your index finger. This will also help. Wow. And guys, if you appreciate these tips, smash the like button and let me know in the comment section below if you are going to try this technique as well. And the second mistake is the over-rotated knife. And that happens that you are too far from the target or you pushed too much on the spine of the knife. So this looks like this. All right? So, of course, maybe you know now, you have to adjust that you will make, for example, step forward into the target. So here you was too far, maybe 5 meters. So again, stepping on 4 meters. Or like I said, less pressure on the index finger or use less force. This is classic beginner mistake that they are applying too much force and knife is over rotating. So keep calm and the less pressure. Instinctive half spin is amazing technique because can be done also from multiple distances. But the closer you are to the target, the more wrist snap you have to use with your wrist, like this, all right? So about 3 meters, you see I'm doing this movement. But if I'm further back from the target, the less wrist snap I can use. You see, just follow up. It's basically like a punch movement. The further I go, the less snap. Again, 5 meters, and here I'm all the way on 6 meters. But like I said, a lot of you want to throw sharp knives, so don't worry, I have one. The Glock 78 used by Austrian military. And if you would use the technique like I showed you before, you would cut your fingers, all right? So you have to adjust the grip and you will do it like this, all right? Middle finger on the side, thumb on the side, index finger is on the spine, and you have to be super careful to avoid the edge. If you are a total beginner, I definitely recommend to start with the dull knife like we have on the Ace Jet, and this is for the advanced throwers. But since it's really amazing to use this technique for any type of knife, I want to show you how you can do it, all right? So everything is totally same, like I showed you before, except only this change. Thumb, it's not holding the spine, the edge, and it's like this on the side, all right? And it's very, very powerful. So like I said guys, Instinctive half spin is absolutely amazing technique and I definitely recommend to try it out. And since we have the 4th-year anniversary with the Ace Jet, if you're gonna order on our website over $100, you can receive this spinner Bowie with your order, alright? More information about that will be on the website. But for today, that's it. So thank you everybody for watching. Share, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.